Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to take a field and make it match the other fields in the size and dimensions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here where it says AMA score and click on it. Now you'll notice we don't see any information over here on the right to give us any real insights into the size of this. And the reason for that is I'm going to go up and click on View, and I'm going to click on Property Windows. This Properties window comes out, and I'm going to click on the left-hand side and drag it out to make it a little bit bigger. So because we have clicked on AMA score, it shows us the width and the height. And if I click on this little circle, it will drop it down to show me the dimensions. So I want to make a note of it that it's 105 width by height of 24. Next, I want to get this field or label to match this AMA score. So over here on the right hand side, my width previously was 105, so I'm just going to simply type in 105. I'm going to hit the tab key to go to the next field, and now in this I'm going to put 24. And if I click away from that, you'll see it will lock it in, and now the dimension is the same as this. That's 105 by 24. That's 105 by 24. So now I've made it the same size. Now this is overlapping because my label was fairly long. So sometimes I might say, I might want to make this one a little bit longer. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Let's go to the AMA score field. The dimension sizes are 165 by 124. And I'm going to make a note of that. I said 124, 24. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to change this to 165. I'm going to go hit the tab key. I'm going to type in 24, and I'm just going to click away from that. And now these sizes are the same. So just from a vision or a view or a look, I like to have things the same size because they work visually for me on my eye. They're just better on the eye. So this is an example of how you can take these fields and make them the same size. I want to thank everyone for being here for this tutorial. I'm going to go into this in more detail moving forward. Thank you very much. Bye now.